Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unfollow someone on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to unfollow someone on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to unfollow someone on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to unfollow someone on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unfollowing someone on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unfollow someone on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Threads home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this page click on follower, and then click on following. Now here are few accounts that I have followed, and now I want to unfollow this account. So just click on following button next to that account. You have unfollowed this account. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unfollow someone on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.